How to use honey for weight loss. Honey, the organic and natural sweetener, has several amazing properties for weight loss. Honey is a wholesome food manufactured by honeybees by gathering the best of nature's ingredients from flower nectar. Major ingredient. Therefore, there are incredibly beneficial essential nutrients in honey. Down the ages, honey has been used as the major ingredient in several Ayurvedic medicinal preparations. When it comes to weight loss diet, honey can play a highly significant role. Honey can play a highly significant role. Misconceptions about honey. Most people argue that honey is also a kind of sugar which would add up to calories. However, honey does not contain refined sugar, which is just a bundle of empty calories. Honey has packed in it highly useful nutrients like protein, fiber, a host of vitamins including niacin, vitamin B6, folate, riboflavin and vitamin C, and minerals like calcium, zinc, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and iron. Cardiovascular diseases. Therefore, in obese people, it does not increase weight and also brings down the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Researchers show that consuming honey can help bring down blood cholesterol levels and also reduce the increase of plasma glucose levels. Honey with warm water. Usually, fat accumulates in the body as unused resource and therefore adds up to the bulk weight. Honey can mobilize the stored fat. Once the fat thus released is burnt to release energy for daily chores, you can visibly see a gradual reduction of weight. Good cholesterol. Honey can significantly increase the amount of good cholesterol in the body and prevent the cardiovascular strain. Therefore, by consuming honey, you can lead a healthy life the active way. Honey with lemon juice. Several people make use of this formula as part of their weight loss mission. They start their day with a formulation of honey, warm water and lime juice, resulting in a tasty as well as a healthy beverage. Honey has more than 22 amino acids that can support body metabolism. Digestion. Through this, digestion and burning of foods are optimized, leading to the enhanced utilization of stored fat. Thus, there is an overall improvement in health and a significant weight loss. Lemon juice contains glutathione, which is an important antioxidant for removing toxins and weight loss. Therefore, you get added results with this combination. Honey with cinnamon. Honey combined with cinnamon and warm water is yet another highly popular formulation. This is prepared by mixing 1 tablespoon each of honey and cinnamon in warm water. Consumed in an empty stomach, this powerful preparation can help achieve a host of benefits for weight loss. Glucose levels. Cinnamon can bring down blood glucose levels and increase the metabolism of glucose. Added with the power of honey to assist in metabolism, this preparation is a value addition to every weight loss program. Useful facts. When consumed before bed, honey can keep triggering the liver function and fat metabolism and relieve the body of stress-building hormones throughout night. Therefore, it is called the best hibernating diet. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.